kitty cat. Hey, you're the kitty with no tail. And you're pregnant again. Oh no. Oh, you got gorgeous, beautiful babies in there. In your precious belly. Hey, you became pregnant again? That was very quick. Yeah, come here. Come back here. Hey, precious mama cat. Hey, mama cat. Mappa, don't go, please. Please, mama cat. Come on, I got some more for you. Come on. When are you gonna give birth? When is your due date? What do you think? I think it's very, very near because you look like you're about to explode. Oh. But you're a very good mama, so you'll find the best place to give birth and you'll take really good care of your kittens. Shall we get you spayed after this? Get you sterilized? Get you to the vet? Because it's a tough life for you. How many times have you been pregnant? You must be exhausted. You must be so tired and you must be... I think it's time for you to retire. What do you think?